Hello kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn alphabet vocabulary of A. Are you ready for fun learning together? Let's start. Hi kids, I am alphabet A. A for apple. A double P L E apple. A for alligator. A double L I G A T O R alligator. A for angel. A N G E L angel. A for airplane. A-I-R air. E-L-A-N-E airplane. A for artist. A-R-T-I-S-T artist. A for arrow. A double R O W arrow. A for X. A X E X. A for aunt. A N T aunt. A for angry. A-N-G-R-Y angry. A for arm. A-R-M arm. A for ambulance. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E ambulance. A for avocado. A-V-O-C-A-D-O avocado. A for almond. A-L-M-O-N-D almond. A for album. A-L-B-U-M album. A for alien. A-L-I-E-N alien. A for air. A-I-R air. A for army. A-R-M-Y army army.